Hello everyone. This video is about organizing your files using Google Drive. I've already logged in to my Google Drive, my Google account, so I can see my Google Drive. I've got some files here, but they're not well organized. They're not organized at all. Really, I've got a music folder, and in here I've got my favorite singer, Joe. And I'm going to add some more music, and I need to organize these other files into folders. So I'm going to click New, create a folder. The first one is for church. I like church, so I've got some documents here on becoming a Christian. Now I can change to grid view, which will show me the contents of the files. But list view is better for dragging and dropping. I'm going to drag that presentation, put it into my church folder, and I think I've got one down here, making a decision for Jesus. Put that one into church folder, and the teachings of Jesus, put that one into my church folder. I'm going to add a new folder for my research, and in here I'm going to put my paper and climate change, my paper on dangers of cell phones, and my cloud computing. Now I'm going to make one more, and this is for my home planning budget planner. I put that into my home folder. Now my folders are much better organized. Now I can make them more colorful here by changing the color, and I think I'll go for purple for my church, my home. I think I can change the color to, say, green. Music, I'm gonna go blue with that one, and research, I go red. Well, let's go orange. Okay, now I can improve these descriptions slightly if I open my a new window and go to this emoji, and I can search for an icon. I go for church, and that gives me a picture of a church. I can search for an icon for home and get home of the house. I can go for study and get the graduation cap and music. I can get a range of different music. I can copy that, go to the and I can rename, put in my in here, and that's it. My home and my church look very similar, so I think I'll change to a cross. Wrong one. There. Copy from here to my Google Drive. Rename. Put it across at the beginning. Okay. Home. Control C. Rename. And my research. I can get my cap. Rename. You might want to use different names for your folders. You could use the names of your classes. This class, could contain all your Microsoft Office documents. You might have a writing, a reading, and a speaking class. And you can also just search for a book, and that might be good for a reading. There's one, the writing hand for writing, and I think there's one for lips that you could use for speaking, for your speaking class. Now let's add another music in here, and I'm going to go to YouTube and find, there we go, another great J. Cho song. Now what I'm going to do this time is not get the whole video. I'm going to just change it into MP3. I can just remove the UBE from the URL. Remove the UBE from the URL. And it's got MP3 selected there already, and I can save that. It's going to take a moment, and it's going to save it to my desktop. Done already, and I can go into my music folder, and I can right click, upload files, and find Fragrance of Rice. And there we go, and that's going to take a couple of minutes to do that. It says less than a minute, but it's going to take a couple of minutes. And that's the end of this video. Just a few techniques for tidying up your files.